Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. And if you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome. God bless you. So I'm preparing for my family today okra soup. And we're doing it with Fufu. Back to Africa. God bless you. Let's do it. I found this recipe on the back of the Fufu box. All I am doing is just adding a twist to it. I am bringing the restaurant home. God bless you. Don't forget to watch the video showing you how the fufu was prepared. I will link that to this one. Continue watching. You know you can always substitute this red pepper flakes with black pepper. Whatever I'm using in my soup and you don't want in yours, just leave it out. Remember, like I always say, my recipes are not gospel. Just use them as a guide. God bless you. A complete recipe for this soup will be listed for you in the description box below. Be sure to check it out now. If you're still here and haven't subscribed us yet, what are you waiting on? Subscription is free. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Continue watching. watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.